Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily set border left color. That means if you want to add a color to an element's left border, you need to use the border -left -color property in CSS. So we will see an example also. Herein we have an example which is having heading and a paragraph tag. Here it is, heading and paragraph tag. As you can see, we have added a border. We have added border using the style tag and under P element, border style, color and width. Now what we need to do, we need to set the border left color. That means the following color. How we will do that? We will use the border left color property. So in the same example itself, under the style tag, we will add the CSS border -left -color property. Okay. Now let me set it to, let's say, blue color. Now rest of the color will be orange for the complete paragraph and only the left color will be blue. So just save it and refresh it. This is our output. You can see the border left color is now blue. As you can see here it is. In this way guys, you can easily set the color to an element's left border. Herein in this case it was our P tag here. So guys, thank you for watching the video.